Industry meet of CNC machine company owners. Mr. Mahesh, Mr. Suresh and Mr. Ramesh catch up.
Are you both using CNC probes in your company?
Yes, since last 7 years, and I think Ramesh is using for almost 10 years now.
Wow, even marriages do not last that long nowadays.
Haha, yes, you are right.
Product life has got extended only because we are getting good service from the company.
I see. I had bought expensive imported probes and in 6 months my operator crashed it.
Did you try to get it repaired then?
Yes, I tried to, but they said repair cost as high and suggested to buy new CNC Probe at 20% discount.
What? That is unacceptable. This is where Manleo is different.
Yes, seems like they are like Maruti cars in CNC probing. Service as assured. Thank you so much Ramesh and Suresh for this info.
You are welcome. Check their website www.manleo.com today.